Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Bow Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Working on a Mitsubishi, taking out the starter, by which I've already did. There's also a video that's going to be uploaded very soon, how to get this out a lot easier. I didn't have to take off the intake manifold. With that being said, if you start trying to start your car and you have this burnt smell, and it only happens when you're trying to start your car and your battery's fine, try to find the area where the starter is at. You might not be able to see it, but if there's a burnt smell coming from that area, 9 times out of 10 it's going to be your starter that's burnt. You can't smell it from the camera, but I can smell it, and every time he tried to hit the key, it just had this bad burning smell, and it came down to the starter. Just a mobile mechanic tip. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Also, you could go to our one-stop shop website, themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com. All the tools that we use in our videos, you can actually buy it literally from our shop. And I'd like to thank you from your YouTube Super Thanks donations and your TikTok donations. We help people that are on fixed income, single moms, and just people on fixed incomes. And we also literally finance the labor for those who qualify. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you.